Experiencing Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Spectrum Xumo device? A simple network reset often resolves common glitches. First, unplug your Xumo device and your Wi-Fi router from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds. This allows both devices to clear any temporary cached data or IP address conflicts. Plug the router back in and wait for it to fully power on and reconnect to the internet. This usually takes a few minutes. Once the router is back online, plug the Xumo device back in. For Xumo devices, if problems persist during startup, locate the reset button, usually on the back or bottom, and hold it down for 10 seconds to perform a factory reset. Note that a factory reset will erase your settings, and you'll need to set up your Xumo device again. This method effectively addresses issues like corrupted data packets or temporary network congestions and resolves approximately 65% of Wi-Fi-related support tickets, according to Spectrum's Q2 2025 report. If a network reset doesn't resolve the Wi-Fi issue, the problem often stems from your router settings. We'll walk through key optimizations, including firmware updates, channel selection, encryption, DNS configuration, and mesh systems. First, ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility bugs and security vulnerabilities. Access your router's admin panel through a web browser using the IP address like 192.168.1.1. Next, optimize your Wi-Fi channel. Overcrowded channels cause interference, especially on 2.4 GHz. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to identify less congested channels, then manually select one in your router settings. For enhanced security and stability, use WPA3 encryption if your router and devices support it. This provides better protection against connection drops compared to older protocols. Change your DNS settings to a public DNS like Google at 8.8.8.8 and 884.4. This can bypass ISP-related slowdowns and improve connection reliability. Consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system. This reduces dead zones and improves signal strength, enhancing your streaming experience by up to 50%. According to a 2025 PCMag review, router misconfigurations account for 70% of streaming device Wi-Fi problems. Proper configuration is crucial for reliable connectivity. These optimizations can significantly improve your network strength. Watch as the connection goes from weak to strong with proper router configuration.